You're watching Miss Patricia Ann's Progress Report. March 29th, 2018 at 11 p.m. I had to go to the emergency room. Then, of course, afterwards, I stopped and got me a French vanilla cappuccino. Whew, I just got home. I don't want you to see my information, but I just got out of the hospital, emergency room. Probably wondering why. Well, I don't know if you can see. Wait, can you see? That's my scar from my surgery of my moles, but this right here, behind my ear, let me see. Right there, I had a cyst removed. Apparently, I've had for like 3 days now, I've had this little lump on the back of my ear. And I kept squeezing on it, like, something bite me? What's going on? Well, I was freaking out and I was like, it's okay. I've got a tumor started and I need to go get checked. Well, yep, it was a cyst. So they had to squeeze it and pop on it. Squeeze it, pop on it. So they had to squeeze it after puncturing it and cutting it open and all that junk, and hopefully it'll heal up now. I got me some antibiotic cream. I did. I don't know what I did with it. They also gave me some antibiotic drops for my ears. No, it's antibiotic drops for my ears because I have an ear infection going on too. And yeah, 2018 has sucked for me health-wise, but you know what? It is what it is, and we're treating it, and we're getting better, but I'm going to show you pictures again of what it looked like before I went to the emergency room. So if you happen to have like a little lump, apparently it's common to get these cysts that just form on the back of your ears and your lymph nodes and all that stuff, and it can actually cause your throat to swell and all that. I'm just happy to have went, and if it wasn't for my boyfriend forcing me to go, I probably wouldn't have went. So if you suspect something wrong, go to the doctor and get it checked out. Okay, you can see where I had it removed. It was not fully removed. She just drained it.
No, I don't think it's a serious situation. It's just painful as hell. And you're making it more painful by squeezing on it.
Oh my goodness, it hurt so bad before I went to the emergency room to have them squeeze on it and pop it and drain it. I am trying to show you right here what it looked like before. I didn't have no clue what it was. I didn't even know it was a cyst. I was like, what in the world is this? And then I started seeing it like kind of travel up my ear. You can see right there it's like has like a little vein going up towards my ear, and I'm like, oh my goodness. But anyway, I got that taken care of. So now let's do the 2 month, 5 days since I had my moles removed update.
Okay. I'm going to take these bandages off. Gauze. Oh yeah, it's healing up really good.
They're itching really bad.
That one there is still got, see, it's got a lot of...
Show it on the... Show it, you're talking about it.
This is, this one has, on the left, it's dried up. It's scabbing over.
This one was the deepest though.
Yeah, and this one is kind of still yucky. I think it's the antibiotic cream. It's making it some moist there.
We'll quit putting it on there.
And
show the bandage what came out.
And this is the bandage. That's the antibiotic cream. That's the antibiotic cream that was on there. It's stuck to the...
I put it so close, Mom. People can't see. You put it so close.
That's the antibiotic. This left one is already got the scab going for it and nothing coming out of it. So I don't think I'll bandage it no more.
I still like for you to bandage it.
Okay. But this other one has got liquid coming out of it. Okay. I'm going to cut some more gauze here.
We're not even using bandages no more. We're just using the gauze.
Right. The gauze is thinner, and the area can breathe through these gauze a lot better than through a thick bandage. The tape.
Medical tape. Okay, you can see here is the update of March 27th of what my back looked like by then. So, I am going to also show you 2 months, 2 weeks, 3 days since my mole surgery, which is a current update now. And this is what my back looks like now. You can see this is scabbed over. It's almost completely done and over with. I'm so excited and I have to even wear bandages now. I don't even have to wear bandages. My story inspired someone and saved them from cancer. I am very thankful my story I shared about my moles being removed had inspired a friend to go get theirs checked out and removed as well. Things happen for a reason, and it really makes me feel so thankful I wasn't ashamed about my situation and was able to share it with you guys. My bad mole story. You just don't realize how serious a simple mole could be at any age. You don't have to be old. Like I've repeated multiple times, everyone has a mole, if not many, on their body, someplace, somewhere. Not all moles are bad. Not everyone will have a bad mole, but they are worth watching. If you suspect one just doesn't look right, it's raised up very high, discolored, go get it looked at. I can't help but think what would have happened if I let mine go and never had them removed. They were pre-cancer. What would have happened if my friend didn't read my post and go get theirs checked out? They had a suspected cancer mole as well, cut out right in the exam room. It could save your life from cancer. P.S. Any healthcare provider can look at your moles and determine if they need further attention, a second opinion. Then seek further options. So guys, if you don't follow me on Facebook, go follow me on Facebook and stay updated on my results. My friend, when he gets his results back, I am sharing with you pictures he sent it to me and wanted me to share with you guys of the mole that they removed right in the exam room. I mean, that's a pretty good sized mole. And they cut it out right there, suspected it could be cancer, and now you don't even have to worry about it. So make sure you go get your moles removed. Get them checked at least if you suspect that they could be cancerous. I mean, you just don't know. If it's discolored, did you get a lot of sunlight on them? They change colors, change shapes. They're worth getting looked at. So get them looked at, guys, and I'll see you back with my next update video.